If you're looking to create a ParentPay account and need a step-by-step guide, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your ParentPay account from scratch. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the ParentPay website. The address you need is www.parentpay.com. On the ParentPay homepage, look for the Register or Create Account button. Now you'll be directed to a registration page. Here you need to enter some basic information. Start by providing your email address. Make sure it's a valid email you have access to, as you need it for account verification. Also, you need to create a strong password for your account. It should include a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters to ensure it's secure. Re-enter the password to confirm it. Once you've filled in all required details, you'll receive a confirmation email from ParentPay. Check your inbox for this email and follow the link to verify your email address. And that's it. You've successfully created and set up your ParentPay account.